Hi there, Lucas from UQ Army here. In this video, we'll be covering one of the most important features dynamic QR codes have to offer, statistical data. If you want to know what a dynamic QR code is, please check the link in this video's description. You may want to check that out before we jump into this one. Dynamic QR codes are linked to a short URL. Aside from allowing the QR code to be recyclable, a short URL also collects statistical data. Each time a QR code is scanned, it tracks where the scan came from, with what operating system and browser it was accessed, and of course, the number of scans it received. Speaking of scans, there are two types worth discussing. A unique scan counts as the first time a QR code was scanned in one day, while a scan includes a sequence of visits to the content of the QR code after a unique scan in one day. More information between the two types can be found in the link in this video's description. Back to the statistical data. Once your dynamic QR code is published and getting scanned, you can track and measure its progress within the dashboard of the QR code generator you chose. UQ Armies offers the ability to download reports for presentations and connect the statistics to a Google Analytics account to get even more options there. So, the question remains, why is the statistical data so important? Well, it will give you a complete understanding of how well your QR code campaign is performing. It will help you identify trends, redefine your call to action if needed, and engage your target audience even better by doing so. Well, that's it for now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. Take care and see you later.